The universe. Once nothing more than stones and fiery spheres, devoid of consciousness. But something incredible happened. It became aware. Through us, humans and animals, it began to see, feel, and even transform. And right now, I'll tell you how and why that happened. Welcome to its awakening. From chaos to life. In the early eons after the Big Bang, there was only plasma, dust, and gravitational chaos. Stars were born and died, but there was no consciousness to appreciate it. Then, somewhere in the cosmic quiet, life emerged on Earth. The first cells, simple, yet capable of replicating, responding, sensing. It was the universe's first mirror to itself. Life's elements. Stardust molecules. Our bodies are made of stars. Let's break it down. Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, forged in the cores of stars during their life cycle and death. But heavy elements like gold, platinum, uranium, only created in cosmic cataclysms. The magnitude of gold produced in the merger was equivalent to several times the mass of the Earth, says scientist Xinyu Chen, analyzing neutron star collisions. These elements form via the R process during stellar collapse. Neutron star mergers eject huge numbers of neutrons. Each collision can produce multiple Earth masses of gold. Recent research shows magnetars could add another 1 to 10% of all heavy galactic elements. The gold in your wedding ring? Born from a cosmic explosion billions of years ago. Consciousness, the universe's self-awareness tool. Consciousness isn't a side effect, it's the universe's mechanism to know itself. Philosopher Philip Goff suggests consciousness is a fundamental feature of the universe. Neuroscientist Christoph Koch describes the brain as an information-rich structure, generating awareness. In terms of mathematics, the entire universe is alive. The more organized the being, the farther this notion of future and past extends. Quote, on panpsychism, animals perceive, humans think, and build conceptual models. We aren't passive mirrors, we're meaning makers shaping reality. Professor Donald Hoffman proposes that consciousness constructs reality rather than merely reflecting it. We build tools, telescopes, particle colliders, gravitational wave detectors. We play with time. Medicine extends life, gene therapy changes lifespan. Through experiments, we manipulate matter and energy, actively participating in cosmic evolution. With CRISPR, we change genomes and thus influence how long organisms live. Using gravitational fields and quantum tech, we may one day engineer local space-time effects. We're heading toward designing new stars or even new universes in a lab. Time-control technologies. Gravitational manipulation could slow time within specific systems. Star-making. Nuclear fusion reactors may serve as man-made stars. This is a self-aware universe evolved through us, its hands and eyes. Philosophical convergence. Bohm's holistic hollow movement, everything interconnected and in motion. We are not merely biological machines, we are cybernetic extensions of the universe's evolution. Its consciousness, memory, thought. It experiences itself through us, modifies itself through our actions. If this resonated with you, subscribe. Let the universe see itself a bit more clearly.